Hello, IM3 student. Welcome to my class. I am Miss Chang. I will be your teacher for this year's IM3 course. So welcome everyone to my class. I hope you guys will have an enjoyable experience learning IM3. Basically, IM3 is equivalent to the traditional Algebra 2 course. So I hope that this year you will be learning a lot about functions and polynomials and all the topics that we will be bringing to you. So before we begin the class, I would like to officially welcome you and then introduce you to some expectations for the class. So here is my course syllabus. And if you need to ever contact me, my email is right here. That's may.chang@emuhsd.org. And if you would like to get a hold of me through the phone, school phone number is right here as well. And just enter extension 2059 after you dial the main school phone number. My goals and expectations this year are to provide you with a rich and dynamic classroom experience where you feel comfortable asking questions, participate in class every day, and get additional help or guidance when you need it, and gain a solid understanding of mathematical applications. Because I believe that all students have the limitless potential, and I will always hold you to the highest personal and academic standards possible. So in other words, I know that each one of you are unique in your own ways, but at the same time, I know that you have the potential to succeed in this class if you put your will and you put your efforts in. So it's kind of like my personal promise to you that if you try your very best and you try to learn the objectives and the concepts on a daily basis, you will be successfully passing this class. I usually have a very low rate of failure in my class, so most of you will be okay unless you really try. I just used to joke that unless you really try very hard to fail, it's kind of almost impossible to fail my class. So hopefully everyone will have fun learning, and besides learning math, you will be picking up some other skills from me as well. So in a lot of times in this class, we will use collaborative learning, especially partners or group work idea. But with the pandemic, we will just, adapt as we go. So hopefully that we will still be able to do some teamwork. So here's, the definition of team and working together to answer questions, explain and give reasons. So here are just, some expectations that I would like all of my students to, on a daily basis, participate. And each row, we will have a captain and co-captain if we're actually in the physical classroom. So we will assign each row a captain and a co-captain to keep the groups together, the rows together. So your participation is expected on a daily basis. You need to answer questions. Sometimes you'll be given opportunities to come up to the board to do problems, and many opportunities to earn extra credit. You may sometimes be presenting or doing a problem in front of the class, but you're expected to come to class every day with all your materials. And this is a list of materials that you should start shopping for. So yay, gives you a reason to go shopping. 3 pencils with erasers, 2 pens, 1 red. We usually correct papers here a lot, so we need a red pen, and then maybe 1 other color. A scientific calculator, that means you need one that has the sine, cosine, tangent buttons, binder with line paper, 2 spiral notebooks, and we will use them to take notes and to show work, 2 highlighters, a dry erase marker, and your student textbook. The student textbook can be left at home until further notice. So you can just leave those at home. You don't need to bring that to class every day. And you need to be a good class citizen by assisting those around you after, you figure something out. Maybe if your neighbor or partner needs help, you need to just practice good citizenship by helping them out. The class expectations are no drink, no food other than water. Water is the only thing that you may drink. No chewing gum, especially. Electronic devices are to be put away as soon as you step inside the classroom. And then no grooming, which means perfume or anything that has smell. Please leave it outside of the classroom. I want my classroom to smell fresh when you come in, and then leave it the same for